Really, my room is tidy, though it's not clean, it's still not broom, but yeah, it's tidy. And my father is in ICU right now, so I was not in a mood to what to do, what not to do. So I thought, okay, let me start with something else. This level of anxiety will be killing me because I can't do anything right now. And yeah, so this room is sorted. This room is tidy. I need to put dishes back, the dishes that I have done, and sort my kitchen a bit. Actually, gas was not working, so we switched to heater, and yeah, now the gas is fixed. We're gonna use gas today. Uh, this I was making ghee, so I put it on a like straighter format. So I think half teaspoon ghee is sorted. I can use this on my dosa today. And yeah, this is a clutter today. I made tea and I sent it for my mother who's there. Now this is sambar. So actually nowadays I have just prepared the idli batter, idli dosa batter, and I'm just preparing for that only because rolling chapati and tidying the kitchen takes a lot of time. So nowadays idli is a savior for me, idli and the dosa batter. So yeah, let's just tidy up and catch you up after this. This kitchen slab is clean. I can work over here. Let's see this. My dining table is sorted. All the items I have kept to their designated places. Let's see that all the dishes has is done. And yeah, I have taken almost an hour to much along with the brooming of this floor. I was not able to do the mopping. I was not having motivation for that. So yeah, so my space is now tidy. I can work. This space is now functional. So I can continue and go ahead with my day.